Mrs. Cornean Talanya Magnayo Giamantisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Cornean Talanya Magnayo Quezon the First. Original wife is me. And then me and Alex ko has one kid. There is person that is killing me, which is Kabit. I wish that person be dead. So I will talk now. What will I talk is the year 2019 when it comes to love life to Alex Jr. ko. My vibes when it is love life to Alex Jr. ko, my feeling is being show. My feeling is being show of such as on a relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend. My feeling is being out. Being show, meaning to say it could be sight, it could be know, it could known, it could be feel. Oh, year 2019. I not know the reason. And then, my imaginative year. No. It is year 2020. I am studying year 2019. Mostly my love life to Alex ko year 2019 is the color brown, brownish. And then when it comes about it, the lover relationship, behave, and then looking on phone, picture, looking on phone, browses. Eyesight, yun. Nice ka, eyesight. The girl gender that is singer, friend of Alex ko, college degree, Technological University of Philippines. Pangalan niya, I not know. Ayan na, it is being returned on myself. In 2019, didiri ito. Year 2019, yeah, adiri. It is an illness. The parasite on dog blood is in here. Ito kadali. As it is. Wala, ay nagtutok talaga. Lover legs ko. 2019 that is. No, 2018. The year 2018 of myself is include as well not that include year 2017. Wait. Year 2017 it is. Another information at this moment. Myself is being shuffled. I don't know why. Shucks. Bayan kadiri. Matay ka. Iyon, the person, that person be dead. I could feel my chin is being out of my in here neck. I don't know the reason, but I have such this at the moment. No, my feeling has no double chin, but at this moment I have double chin. I don't know why. Ko. And then it is lightweight. I could not feel at the moment my double chin. Year 2017, on talking of myself, uh, it is as well includes class, oh yan! Oh, friend of Alex Junior ko, college degree, TUP.
May bra dito, wala.
Wait, only, I not know the year. If it is year 2017, year 2018. I not use phone year 2018. No, I use phone. Year 2018 it is. So not year 2017. Year 2017 I am inside of the school. Year 2018 there is. Friend of Alex ko I cite on photo. Oh, it is good to stop. On photo, and then the Iris singer, she is singer, and then they want body movement already during year 2018, but myself is on sitting position on top of bed. During that moment, wait lang, they as well looking on my mind. On the right eye, they is from Technological University of Philippines, Taguig Campus, civil engineer. I not know why. Bakit? Why? I will just be. Never let's go, but they is good person. Wait lang. Sa Alex ko. So year 2018, happening on my life, Alex Jr. ko talks on my mind, on the right eye. And then he says, kung hindi ka kikilos, kailan pa? In English translation, if you do not do body movement, when it is, meaning when it is will you move, body movement. Lover legs ko. And then on my mind, Fretchel and Pandis talks. During that moment, Rachel Pandis, I feel scared because she talks. And then, during year 2018, that moment, I not want it. I not want it such that. I just like me and Alex ko. And then that is on side of school. Physical Activity Center, covered court it is. Now it is Commission on Audit Building. Next is during year 2018 as well, Alex Jr. ko is saying on myself mineral water. Store tag in here. Business of her mother. Grandmother. Mother, godmother. My thinking at the moment, he is refers to my godmother at Batangas. And then the word about it is he is as well saying godmother to my godmother. But that is good. I like that is my attitude. Oh, that is my attitude. Personality. Why? That is not clingy about. It is such as what is to Alex Jr. ko is mine, and what is mine is to Alex Jr. ko. Ganun kaming dalawa. Attitude see. And then has feeling of shyness. Year 2018. And then it runs on my mind. When I say it runs, the imaginative is something such as on that year 2018, Aries location on Signal Village, and then I could cite the mother of Alex Jr. ko. Sometimes in here, and then in here, then Alex Jr. ko in there. Di pa puno! Such in here, this is what I am talking about on Signal Village. This one. And then this shadow. It is on my eye when it is such this. This is eye. And then this is the imaginative. And then there is shadow in here that pertains to the mother of Alex ko. Meaning of it tends to look as well. And then what is being talked during that moment is mineral water business. Alex Junico is saying her mother is has mineral water business. And then the next happening about in here, classmate of Alex Cook, civil engineer, tends to as well pops up on my right eye, an imaginative in here. They say, kailan ka makikipag-socialize? Di ka na bata. Yun, year 2018. Wait, let me talk. They use on fast mode. In English translation, when will you socialize? You're not child anymore. My self-response at this moment is, during year 2018, I could not go outside the house. Myself is just being put on top of bed. And then, the thinking process in here, it is being on, yuck. Even myself, I not like the attitude of my father. Out of uh, being father already, harassment it is. Year 2025 harassment already is what is being doing. Next is, next. Them, harassment is nangyayari sa akin. Year 2025, they harass me. Sige tayo. I wish they be dead. And then during year 2018, it is myself is being put on 365-day cryness. I cry every day. That is why it forms this one. Year 2018, they is trigger. They is putting rapists on my nakakadiri talaga. It is so honest because I not do rape, and then they will uh, accuses myself being a rapist. I am a girl gender. I not want this Philippine country is so kadiri. On my mind, they is accuses me, and then the vibes is wants to kills me. That is about the rapist. When it is year 2018, the person wants myself to suicide. That is why I need to talk on this situation. There is person that is dead. At the moment, Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez is active. What else could I say? Mm, about this. Mm, not until there is a girl gender year 2018. Angry vibes towards me, snubber. Friend of Alex Ko from Technological University of Philippines. And then they looking on my mind. I could feel it in here. She is in here. This is in here is the friend of Alex Ko, Technological University of Philippines, and then there is person in here is Nabor. The meaning of it, this one, they uses black magic and then they is looking similar in here. The mother of Alex Jr. po looking on my mind, on my eye. And then what is just being says is daldalan, talking about socialization such as singing, singing to sing along, to have moment of singing, video okay. Ano ba nasa may mga food socks kahapon? Ano pala? Red? Kahapon meron ako nakita. Taon. When I say video kita singing, they show suddenly. Weird. And then myself is being put on Tenga mode just on top of bed. Weird. Next, oh, the vibes of them. My mother and my younger sister does not want me to have a socialization. Why? Tell me. Hindi nakakatawa. They is so bad person. Criminal. I just only love one person. That is why I need help talaga. This is seriousness. They not want me to have a work. What does it mean? I am clean person. I wish talaga karma happens already on them. Married kami ni Alex ko. What is next happens during that moment? Alex, the sound is on the right eye saying, Alex, bakit siya nagre-reklamo? Something such that. In English translation, Alex, why she rants? Something such that. Sino kausap niya? Sinabi niya ba yung sino kausap niya? Who is she talking on to? Something such that. And then Alex Jr. ko during that moment says, uh, but truthfulness is what I say, such that is being says. They is refers on myself and then they is looking on such as my body movement is they tends to observe. And then about the observation, they have a question of why myself is such this, such that. And then Alex Jr. ko says, huwag ka muna, tahimik muna, sabi niya. In English translation, behave at this moment, sabi niya. She say, the word sabi niya is in Tagalog word. In English word, he say, I am referring to Alex, so Alex ko is lalaki. Next. Year 2018 it is. Alex Jr. Oh, my vibes. Year 2018 that is. No, year 2017. Year 20, year 2017, my vibes is such as to spend, of such as tablet, laptop, iPhone, such that is myself. I not know the reason. And then they is putting the blame on myself. So meaning to say, it is such as they is having gadgets and then they will blame it on myself. I not know the reason. Why? When I say blame, they is hurting me. What is being focused is they tends to hurt my feeling. On year 2017 about the gadgets, myself is being put a feeling of traumatization on my right forehead, and then feeling high level, more on traumatization. Why? I am thinking at the moment if it is year 2017 or year 2018. Year 2017 it is. And then this is so weird. Myself is being tell to give gadgets to my inaanak. I not know the reason. Such as gadgets, laptop, iPhone, tablet. I not know why. Why? I only have 4 count of inaanak. And then after that, myself, I not want to have inaanak. Meaning godchild. Why? Because they is already on a situation of killing. They uses the word godchild so that they could kill me. The here Philippine, the bobo camouflage. Truthfulness is what I say. I say truthfulness in here. They is killing me. They is killing me when it comes onto godchild. Year 2021. They want myself to be killed. So it is such as they is putting on myself uh, the stress when it comes onto money and then amount. They is so bad person. I not want in here. Ew. So that is year 2017. During year 2021, it is being looked the year 2017. Princess May Fusin is putting myself on feeling high. Why? Feeling high on such as to both gadgets, and then when it is about that, they will not letting me to have gadgets. That is doble cara definition as well. They will put me gadgets on feeling high, and then they will not letting me to have gadgets. Ganun. That is how they is bad person. They is putting heart pain illness on myself. I need help from other country. What else? The bad person, oh, they is on look. I need talaga help from other country. This Philippine Kadiri country is so pervert. And then there is person that interferes when me and Alex Jr. ko is on a situation of decade. What's next? Civil engineer boyfriend ko. I not want bobo ko mo flash because they is bad person. Ayaw ka diri. During that moment, I never did anything wrong. They is bad person talaga. Criminal. I am behaved person during year 2017 and then I am just talkative to Alex ko. It is about love life and then wedding it is about. I wish those person that is looking is be dead. That is why I need help from other country. What else could I say? Year 2018, myself is being put, myself is someone is doing on my body movement to search traditional and culture. Those putting ring on the neck, what does it mean? That means on that specific country is beautiness daw. They say beautiness it is. Year 2018 that is, they is putting me on a situation of to look about it. I not know the reason. They is putting me on gurang. They is putting me on gurang, meaning to say old look, old self presence. I not want in here. Wait. Mm. Myself is curious during that moment. Ganun din. If I look on that photo, my right eye will tell me what do you think about it. I want specific. That is traditional and culture of other country. They is putting it here Philippine. And then I not know why they is putting me a blame. This country is super. Nita ka. Camouflage. Nita ka. Myself is being unhurting. I not know them. I am thinking of how it is being searched on year 2018. That is traditional from other country. But what is being emphasized is the gold and then the toll of it. Na want you. Harassment talaga. I need help. Harassment is the bobo camouflage. I not want in here. Hajire! Ayaw! Oh. I will never socialize to bobo camouflage. I wish they be dead talaga. I have a memory that the bobo camouflage is dead. I wish that happens. Pakailamera ng buhay tends to interfere on a life that it is not it is not their life. I wish talaga it happens. Clingy. Now, I not socialize to them. I never talk to them. Here at Philippine. Pervert is pervert. Ang kapal na mukha. Hindi ko yung gusto. Ngita ka. Kakadiri. Now, myself is on a thinking of why harassment feeling is my father. Bastos kadiri, pervert camouflage. Philippine pervert camouflage. What else? My year 2018 is being put me on deadness. I need help. Kadiri. Ha! Neta kayo. I want to file an harassment talaga. Napakabastos. Inaharas ako sa loob ng pamamahay. When I go outside the house, they will put me on drama because of they uses black magic and then boastfulness. Lover ko, Alex ko, dikit lang Alex ko. I am thinking at the moment year 2018 of why I searched that gold on neck. I am searching about the word beauty, beautiness, beautiful. Form of beauty. Yun. I am searching the form of beauty. And then that is what is being shown, the neck, the gold neck. And then the right eye is emphasize the gold, not the person, but the gold color. And then, when I search that beautiness, Rachel Ann Pandis, it is about my vibes during year 2018. I say to Rachel Pandis, bakit? Maganda ka na kahit may bako-bako ka. Ako maganda din ako, sabi ko. the moment myself is awakes on the left eye about my personality and attitude. And then now the right eye is copying it. Copying meaning to say doble cara day is. Oh, the equivalent onto them is heart pain illness because of copying my personality and attitude.
Wala mo nga.
Kaloka.
Kung ang kaya mo dito sa Friday, kung sakaling matuloy kami ni Papa mo sa Cavite,
Bakit?
kasi aayos yung trakto doon.
Si Corina,
Di ba may pasok sa sa office? Hintayin mo na lang.
maaari ako dun sa kabila. Ayaw
Hindi
din
na nga pwede doon ko rin. Kasi hindi na tayo nagbabayad doon kung na-stop yung nanay na doon. Hindi na tayo Hindi, okay ka lang naman dito mag-isa, di ba? Hapon lang naman, hapon nandito. Mga batang alas 7, nandito naman ni ate mo.
ganon.
Oo, di ba papasok yun? Dito ka na lang muna sa maghapon.
Tapos mamayang gabi,
Darating na rin si Cory. Oo. Oo, di ba? May pagkain ka naman din,
thank you.
Painit-init ka na.
Mama, bastos na sa tenga ko. Puro sila nakakadiri. Yung attitude nyo ba? Hinaharas na ako, tapos hinaharas ako, tapos ganyan kayo. Nakakadiri. Kaya ko dyan. The doing of Bobo camouflage in here is gold digger. I not want to socialize onto them. Nakakadiri. Talagang kadiri. I know how to enjoy. My enjoyment is not depends on them. They is kadiri, childish. Childish definition. It is such as socialization that I not like, and then they will put me on in there so that they could benefits while myself is not benefits. Diba? Di is doble cara. And then they will target the America so that I could not go to America. That is how they is gold digger. I not want in here. Hajiri ka! Hajiri ka! Hajiri kayo! Nyetang yan. What else? Year 2018. When it is about this, such this, it is imaginative of myself of such as about learning on college. That is not craziness. That is energetic vibes. Energetic definition, myself during that moment is activeness or during that specific year. What age is me? 23-year-old. I am activeness, and then they is putting me on top of bed only. Prince William says war. He needs war. Meaning to say, I not know when it comes onto myself about it. War, definition. He needs war. Meaning to say of he needs war, the definition is he wants war. Parang body movement and then war. It is not about my relationship to Alex ko. It is about country. I will talk. I wish talaga, but person be dead. What else it is? When it comes on the right eye, the gold is being emphasized. It is such this strangle. What does it mean? When I look the photo of the girl that has gold on neck, the description of the right eye that emphasizes the gold color is to strangle. What does it mean? Strangle. I am the lover of Alex ko year 2018. They putting me on Tenga mode just at home. Haliri ka! I already has a husband during year 2018. 13-year-old. So what does it mean? Strangle. And then putting myself on cryness. Oh, I am goodness person. My feeling is pure. So when they puts me on 365-day cryness year 2018, what does it mean? Getting my feeling. So they is criminal. What is being shown on my right eye is Tita Lenlen. Diyos ko. And then now, at this year 2025, they wants me to, there is planning to put me on college school, Catholic school. Nakakadiri. Nataka. Sana patayin nyo na sa tenga. What else? They is eager to put me on strangle. Why? Because when I look on that uh, long neck and then gold, they want it to happen on myself, but it is strangle about. Why? Hayop pa. Who tells that? The person in the right eye. I need help. Television GRO should happen. I need help from other country. Bakit to tinungo sa ganito ang pangit-pangit? Kadiri ka! I never watch drama. Sunshine, Jason Daris, clingy, bad person. Who else I sight on television? Christine Hermosa, Claudine Barreto, and then Sunshine Dizon, and then Bea Alonso. That is only the drama that I watch. But I not finish it watching on television. Because I not watch on television. And then the father of Danica Talanya Aguilar this year 2025 wants myself to be killed. Oh, truthfulness that is. Truthfulness. That person wants myself to be killed this year 2025. That person is telling a specific person. And then they feel hurt because of about Danica. On my memory, it is Maria Leonida Lagrada. I have no memory to Danica Talanya Aguilar. Na one cute and na doble cara day is on the right eye. Lover ko, Alex ko. And then me and Alex Jr. ko is from Taguig City. Grabe, kadiri kabit. I never, I never say that. I never giving my boyfriend, husband, lover to anyone. I am not the person who say that during year 2021. Myself is myself is wife of Alex Jr. ko, also named as Manuel Quezon the First. Oh, they say on the right eye, Chanel is my nail polish. Not Caronya. Caronya is what I like. They is hurting me. I not hurt myself. I want to focus on year 2018, my vibes, my self vibes. This one is putting me on, this one no kunot no oh. The right eye, rants, not on socialization of myself. They just getting of what is mine. Please help me. Diyos ko naman oh. Mine is mine. Year 2018, my vibes is goodness, pure, equivalent of it on this year 2025. Myself saying I'm not boastful. Why? The right eye is the person that is boastful and then getting of what is mine and then putting me on hurting and then that person is a snubber and then putting myself on killing only. Hmm? There is Angel Locsin during year 2021 about the concept of dog and then person. Such this. You're 2021 Taris. Bad person that girl. I need help. There is something being known about this situation, meaning to say it is being sight of clearer when it comes on my situation of them being bad person. Nakakaloka. I will talk. Year 2021, I need to say it as well because they is angry. Because myself is on a situation, oh, such as Melay Montiveros, they is angry vibes because of myself is I not know yet my level on life when it comes onto what they're saying. What is just on myself is I am pure. I am on a I am consistent person of which is pure. What they're doing is killing me. Yung, ano mukha mo? Okay. Wait only. Oh, talagang